Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Today we're tackling a critical question: how much does it cost to quash a warrant? The simple answer is, there's no single price tag. The cost can range from a few $100s to many thousands. It all depends on your specific situation, so let's break down the factors that determine the final bill. First, the type of warrant matters most. A simple bench warrant for a missed court date on a traffic ticket is on the low end. It's relatively easy for a lawyer to handle. But an arrest warrant for a more serious misdemeanor or a felony is a completely different story. The legal work is more complex, and the stakes are much higher, which means the cost will be higher too. The biggest variable in the cost is the attorney's fee. This is what you pay a lawyer to represent you. For a straightforward bench warrant, an attorney might charge a flat fee. This could be anywhere from $500 to $1,500. A flat fee is great because you know the exact cost up front. For more complicated cases, a lawyer will likely charge an hourly rate and ask for a retainer. A retainer is a down payment on their services. This could easily be $2,500, $5,000, or even more, depending on the severity of the underlying charge. Now, remember that the lawyer's fee is just one piece of the puzzle. You also have to deal with the original reason the warrant was issued. This leads to court costs and fines. If the warrant was for an unpaid fine, you will still have to pay that fine. Often, there are added penalties and late fees. So, on top of the lawyer's fee, you might have to pay hundreds of dollars to the court to clear the original issue. Another potential cost is bail or bond. When your lawyer gets you into court to quash the warrant, the judge might decide to set a new bail amount to make sure you return for your next court date. You might have to post cash bail yourself, or you could pay a bail bondsman a percentage of the total amount, usually around 10%, which you don't get back. So, what's the real cost of not quashing a warrant? Getting unexpectedly arrested during a traffic stop, at your job, or at home. You could lose your job, spend days in jail, and face public embarrassment. The cost of dealing with a warrant proactively is almost always less than the cost of getting arrested on it. It gives you control over the situation. So, while the price varies, investing in a lawyer to handle a warrant is an investment in your freedom and your future. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more straight talk on legal topics.